Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the gold price has moved in the last week and how the gold price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold after making this particular U pattern, okay, and this is the resistance which is a weak resistance. So one thing what you have to note that this is the point 2070. If the price comes close to this particular level, chances of moving further upside will be there, and a swing has formed at this particular level, a level of around 1615 you can say, and if the price comes close to this particular level, we can see it can fall further down. Okay, before we move forward and explain you where the price can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in gold and other commodities, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. If you look at this particular chart, a swing has formed at this particular level also. After support took at around 1615, we have seen it is continuously moving upside, making a high of around 1787, and from there we have seen a swing has formed and it is continuously moving down. Okay, so probability is there. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can touch a level of around 1747, and if that level goes further down, then we can see it can touch a level of $1736. Okay, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of around 1731. Once the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1725, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $1703. Okay, you have to keep this in mind because these are the support. From there we can see a bounce back can come. Okay, one of the strong support is coming at around 1729, and the another we can see is coming at around 1698, or if that level also didn't sustain, a probability is very high, we can see it can move towards a level of $1680. Okay, and this $1680, once the price comes close to this particular level, it will move in this particular zone, so chances will be very high it can go towards a level of 1654. Okay, before that we can see a level of 1665. Once the price move below this particular level, it can touch a level of 1654 to a level of around 1643, and then 1643 is a support which is weak support, so chances are very high then the price can touch a level of 1634, and from there we can see it can touch its support of 1615, which I have already told you that it can move further low. Now, as we have seen that the market for gold is quite volatile. Okay, so chances can be high that if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can move further upside. Okay, so now what we can see, suppose if the price sustain above this particular level, then we can see it can go towards its next support, weekly support of around $1762. Okay, and if that level also sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1767, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1773. Once the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can go further upside and can go towards around a level of $1785.90 to a level of 1795. Okay, and if the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can cross further high and can touch a level of around $1813.23, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 1855. Keep this in mind. If the price sustain above a level of 1813, then we can see that it can move further upside because the trend will already broke upside and it will come in this particular zone, so probability is high that if the price goes above a level of 1813, we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of 1835, and then further high if the price sustain above this level. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.